Good day all, welcome to my YouTube channel QuickTech Master Mariner. In this video we will discuss enclosed lifeboats, hook assembly and release system. So let's begin.
There are two main parts of this lifeboat release and retrieval system. These are the hook assemblies, one found at each end of the lifeboat, and the operating system. The hook assembly is the mechanism which connects the lifeboat to the suspension link. The suspension link is the last link of the chain that is attached to the lifeboat falls block. The operating system is the means by which the hooks can be opened, closed and reset. The hook assembly is comprised of 5 main components. These are the movable hook component, hook locking part, safety latch or keeper, lifting lug, and side cheek plates. The movable hook component is a pivoted hook and is in direct contact with the suspension link of the lifeboat fall. When launching the lifeboat, the movable hook components are able to pivot to release the lifeboat from the suspension links. The safety latch or keeper prevents the suspension link from slipping off before the movable hook component has opened. During retrieval, the suspension link is pushed through the safety latch. The hook locking part stops the movable hook component from pivoting when in the closed position. The weight of the lifeboat pushes the tail of each movable hook component against the hook locking part to keep it in the closed position. During launching, the hook locking part is turned by the operating system until it clears the movable hook component. The weight of the lifeboat now causes the hooks to swing back to the open position, releasing the lifeboat. The hook locking part may incorporate visual indication of whether the hook locking part is in the correct position or not. This is sometimes referred to as a telltale. The lifting lug is a strong connection used to connect to other lifting arrangements to support or lift the lifeboat. The side cheek plates are thick steel plates between which the other components of the hook assembly are secured. Select each hotspot in turn to find out more about the operating system. The safety pin is an interlock safety device that holds the release handle in the closed position until the lifeboat is ready to be launched. It prevents accidental release of the lifeboat. When the release handle is pulled, the hook control cable is tightened. This causes the hook locking part to move. This action allows the movable hook component to pivot and open to release the lifeboat. The hydrostatic safety interlock is a device that prevents the operator from pulling the release handle by mistake before the lifeboat enters the water. It consists of an enclosed chamber at the bottom of the lifeboat open to the sea. Inside the chamber is a float connected to a lever that unlocks the release handle when the chamber fills with water and raises the float. The position of the lever on the hydrostatic safety interlock can be seen through a clear glass cover. The hydrostatic safety interlock lever will be positioned in a green area when the lifeboat is out of the water, indicating that the release handle is locked. When the lifeboat is floating in the water, the hydrostatic safety interlock lever will be positioned in the red area, indicating that the release handle is unlocked. The hook control cable is a flexible cable that connects the operating system to the hook assembly at each end of the lifeboat.